was an apocalypse, I'd want your lips on mine. Just between you and me, I think you look so fine. So baby, come a little bit closer, I can tell that you wanted me. So baby, come a little bit closer, I can see you all over me. So gimme, 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 gimme your love. The world is ending, but I can't get enough. Gimme, 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 gimme your love. The stars are falling, but I just want it rough. So baby, come a little bit closer, don't be shy, girl, I don't bite. Baby, come a little bit closer, unless you want me to, all through the night. If the cities were crumbling, I want your hands on my waist. Just between you and me, I just wanna taste. So baby, come a little bit closer, I can tell that you're feeling me. So baby, come a little bit closer, yeah, I know you believe in me. So gimme, 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 gimme your touch. The world is spinning and I want it so much. Gimme, 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 gimme your touch. The ground is shaking, baby, let's not rush. Baby, come a little bit closer. It's cloudy today, what can I say? I'm bored with nowhere to go. With you in my mind, I travel in time to the places where nobody knows. The rain begins to tap the glass, another moment fading fast. The world outside feels cold and still, a quiet ache against my will. And though the day is painted gray, inside my thoughts you brightly stay. A constant presence, soft and true. My inner world revolves with you. Missing you, I feel incomplete. Yet your absence is bittersweet. Because knowing you're in my world keeps it from becoming unfurled. And though the day is painted gray, inside my thoughts you brightly stay. A constant presence, soft and true. My inner world revolves with you. Perhaps this ache is proof you're true. A constant reminder of knowing you. The joy we shared, a vibrant hue, survives within and sees me through. And though the day is painted gray,